102.7 WEBN is bringing you to U2. We're sending you and your BFF to Dublin to raise a pint with Bono, Edge, and the lads of U2. When we say today's best music, we mean today's best music from the 80s, the 90s, and of course, now. Mix 106.5. What the heck was that? Must have been left over from the old station we just took over.
Help! Help!
Crap. I think we kept the old DJs and locked them into a closet too. Well, while I take care of that, here's another song. Jack FM.
Help!
Sunny 99.1. Today's best variety, and the home of the $1,000 Thursday.
Got a pocket full of bands.
Be here this Thursday for 12 chances at $1,000. The Eagle wants you to sail away on the Eagle's classic rock party boat with Styx. Be listening for Captain Adam West to sound that party horn weekdays from 2 to 6 for your chance to set sail from Portland. Thanks for checking out DC 101 on iHeartRadio instead of checking in to rehab. That's pure commitment. DC 101. Cue the horns. At Boston's Magic 106.7, you can call us anything you want. We love all things you and all things Boston. You like songs with flutes? We got them. And if you're feeling a little frisky, check out the bass. Call us anytime you want. Magic 106.7.